We think that knowledge is an endless accumulation. That you add to what came before, which we do, and it never goes away. You keep adding more and more and more, and it builds up, and it's all getting greater and greater. Obviously, not quite true. We think that these silly people from the 17th century or the medieval folks or whatever, they are just not as smart as we are. That's why they forgot these things. That's why they lost the recipe for concrete. How could they lose it? They must have been, idiots. So we think that we're wiser than people were in the past. As Donald Rumsfeld would say, these are the unknown unknowns. When something is forgotten, we're unaware that it exists. So we have no knowledge that, we lost the recipe for concrete. Maybe we see this dome and we go, oh man, how did they do that? But we don't know. We don't know that what's missing because it's missing. Abandonment, letting a knowledge or technology go, is a kind of filter. Might not be a good filter, but sometimes it might be a necessary filter. Rediscovery, then, which is also selective, is another filter. So things are getting filtered now twice. We find the future, our own future of everyone. Sometimes we find it in the past. Rather than looking at the here and now and looking forward, we should maybe turn around and see what happened before that we missed. So to go forwards, sometimes we first have to go back. That's the end.